That's what we're going to climb.
Is it just me, or does Rinwell suddenly seem much more comfortable around Dohalim than she used to?
I noticed that too. When the two of them came and found me together back on the beach, I could hardly believe my eyes.
It's not like we had a choice or anything. Law and Kisara had to hang back to convince the villagers we meant them no harm. More than that, though, there are a lot of things I've still got to come to terms with regarding Almeidrea. But I guess I'm through making snap judgments based on someone's origin. At least, I'm trying to be. I guess you could say it's a work in progress.
I see. You hear that, Law? Sounds like all that hard effort wasn't for nothing.
Yeah.
That's got to be reassuring to hear, right, Dohalim?
Not being subjected to unwarranted suspicion is certainly welcome.
Yeah, that long-winded way you have of talking, though? Not so much a fan of that.
I think that's more of a personality thing than a Renan trait.
Really? In that case, I won't have to feel guilty getting annoyed by it.
It'll be a breeze. Get in, get out.
Not on my watch! Bring natural energy! It's a duel of the arts!
Talon Storm!
Giant Supernova!
Totally! In an instant! Impact Block!
Here goes! Illuminate the
Dragon
storm!
Storm!
Holy Glimmer!
I'll smash you!
Holy Land!
Blew away! Raining Thrust!
Do it! Switch to
Glimmer
offense!
Dragon!
Dance in the wind!
Dragon Swarm!
Air Thrust!
Hold up. Is this as valuable as I think it is?
Crap. This injury hurts more than I thought. Shionne, sorry, but could you... Oh. Right.
No choice!
You wanna play? Come at me!
You picked the wrong fight!
Tiger Blade!
Take this!
Are those armies natural?
Glimmer Dragon! Totally! In an instant! Impact Block!
Shining Supernova!
Double Demon Fang!
Dance in the wind!
I think the enemy's getting desperate.
Got them where we want them.
Don't tip your hand, though.
Dragon Swarm!
This
Blow
one's
away!
mine.
Double Demon Fang!
Take this!
Swallow Dance!
All right!
This one. Looks like we got them. Oh.
No choice! Negative gate! Blew away! This one's all mine! Ready, where you stand! I'll take you all
I thought
on!
you were going direct to play. I'm not nearly finished with Astral Arts.
That's my cue!
Ready, Slash!
Shut him down.
Smash you! Eat this!
Now
Blow
I'm in the
away!
groove. You make quick work of them.
Want me to pick up your slack then?
Just pointing it out.
No further!
I'll
tear you
Blew away! Double Demon Fang!
Do it.
Shining Supernova!
Oh, thank you.
Take this! Dragon Swarm! First strike!
Do it.
Resonate with the earth! Stalagmite!
This should make for some good weapon crafting material.
This should come in handy when crafting weapons.
What's this thing? I've never stood so close to a waterfall like this before.
I bet it'd feel real refreshing to take a shower underneath this water.
You're welcome to try.
Little help!
Eat dirt! I'll thank you!
Only land! If it hides, just back it out again!
I can handle it.
All back in there to stop me!
Glad you have your uses.
I'll show you how
Now!
useful I can be!
Illuminate the dark!
I'll thank you! Eat that! Double demon fang! Now you see what I can do! First strike! Do it!
We'll soon see about that!
Looks like we won.
Right, here goes!
Dance in the wind!
Eat dirt! Talon Hurricane! You take it! Elusive Deity! Raining Flash! Double Demon Fang! What's this?
Lightning raging cascade!
Take
Now,
this!
let's get you all set to rest!
In a vine, no armor can stop me!
Illuminate the dark!
Remind me to stay on the good side.
Yeah! And tumbling to me! Double Demon Fang! You everlasting dog! Negative gate! Resonate!
Your blade moves like silk. Let just let my instincts take over. How fascinating.
Raging star! A banana split!
So I still had room to grow.
Little help! Don't mind if I do!
Negative gate! Resonate with Eat dirt!
Wind astrology! They may look cute and stuff, but they're vicious!
Dragon Swarm! Eagle Assault! Double Demon Fang! Eagle Drive! Demon Fang! Tectonic Dome! In an instant! Impact Claw!
We work well together.
Like a finely timed walk.
Double Demon Fang!
Illuminate the dark!
Whirlwind Snap!
Holy land!
This should come in handy when crafting weapons.
Gotta break through!
I shall ensure you survive this.
To me! Ribbon
Illuminate the dark!
I can carve through armor!
You require a hand.
Please
Mario can play here!
Benediction light. Eat dirt!
In a vine?
Illuminate the dark!
Move away!
Holy glimmer! Holy lamp!
Move away! Right in front!
Now I'm in the groove!
I'm ready!
Rinwell! Light burst forth!
Radiant Genesis! You don't mess around.
Oh! Now I'm real
Certainly
mad!
not.
Move away! Ready, flash!
One at a time!
Move away!
Our expert coming through!
Do it!
Dream! Holy lamp! The astral energy is surging around me.
How do you even know about... all that astrally stuff?
Same way I know what you do in the middle of the night.
What? Are you serious? We got some... good equipment!
I can't say its appearance is to my tastes, personally.
This'll make us... even more formidable.
How much farther?
I don't think we're even halfway there yet. Hang in there.
Naughty...
This will be a delicious piece of cake.
Eternal devastation! Crush!
Lightning orb!
Eternal devastation!
Holy glimmer!
Come one, come all! Crush! Elusive flame! Eternal devastation! Benediction light. Crush!
Lightning! Your lordship! I'll crush you! Lightning reflexes! Tenebrous claw! I'll tear you apart! I'll finish you here and now!
Crush!
Dolan! Take! Blow them away! We can really make weapons with this? What do you say we check back in on the ranch?
Have you guys checked your equipment lately?
What is this place?
Careful. We've got company.
Doesn't look like we're getting past without a fight.
Watch your feet. Fall from here and it's curtains.
We're just trying to get past. Get out of our way!
Save your breath! All that thing sees is a talking meal!
Then let's show it how wrong it is! Is it trying to stop us?
I'll face you.
Eternal aim for their weak spot.
That's freaking does it!
Benediction light.
I'll smash you!
Don't mind if I do.
There you go! In a bind? Feel like me again.
Far enough!
You alright?
Yeah, I'll be okay.
Captivity. Eternal devastation.
Holy land! There you go! Don't let up! Illuminate the dark! Dance in the wind! Its wings are lighting up!
It's getting ready to attack!
Air thrust!
Such tremendous power.
Don't face it head on!
Eternal devastation.
Elusive deity! Begin!
Eternal devastation.
Come forth! Holy glimmer!
Go away!
Holy land!
Crush. This one's all mine. You picked the wrong fight.
Eat and go time!
Eternal
I'll
devastation.
smash you! I'm just getting started!
It looks like you got this one
Eternal
covered!
devastation.
Illuminate the
Clear
dark!
out charge!
Come
Wait!
forth! Holy
I'll
glimmer!
grind you into dust!
Holy land!
Dust to dust!
Eternal devastation.
Negative hit! Now or
Illuminate
never!
the dark! Come forth!
In a
Holy
bind?
glimmer! Holy land!
Resonate with the earth!
Ready!
Stalagmite! Lost my focus!
Illuminate the dark! Come forth! Holy glimmer! Holy
Try
land!
harder.
A charge like that could easily be
Eternal
fatal.
devastation.
Just as well?
Look sharp.
Lightning Tiger Blade!
Eternal devastation. You picked the wrong fight.
Talon Hurricane! Elusive deity! Rotating color storm!
Illuminate the dark! Come forth! Holy
Eternal
land!
devastation.
Oh, Nick!
Benediction light.
Armor won't save you! Here! There you
Raising
go!
cascade!
Feel like me again!
Sleep now! Let's get you all touched up!
Eternal devastation. Crush.
Eagle Dive! Now I'm
We
into
got
cool
the
grip!
Alright! It's
Let's
showtime!
tear it up!
Crush!
Storm!
Spread! Dance in the wind!
Eternal
Sleep
devastation.
now!
My reach is even wider.
Magic is in! Crossblade!
Benediction light.
Illuminate the dark!
Is this it?
Forget. Holy land!
Arts being interrupted.
I'm giving you more of that.
Elusive deity! The finishing
Hold
blow!
on to your
Don't
heart!
need to beat me to
Here
it,
I
kid.
come!
I'll take on that challenge!
Try harder.
Confiscated!
Benediction light.
Swallow dare!
Raging
In a
storm!
bind? I'm just getting started!
Double demon fang.
Getting stronger!
Demon fang. Can't stop. Switching up its
smash
movements. Watch out.
Watch yourself.
Eternal
Incredible
devastation.
power.
Swallow dare!
Heal!
Air
What a
thrust!
relief!
Light astral energy!
Eat dirt.
Talon Storm! I'll grind you into
Eternal
dust!
devastation.
A thrilling performance.
Eagle Dive!
Eternal
Let's
devastation.
freaking does it!
Illuminate the dark!
Light.
Come forth! Holy land!
Eternal devastation.
Rip and tear!
Eternal devastation.
Dance in the wind!
Benediction light.
Dance in the wind!
Heal!
Air thrust!
Take this! Armor won't
Light.
save you! Not my finest.
Stay away from my friend.
Air thrust!
Beyond.
Eternal
This
devastation.
soul with love resuscitation!
Now!
Totally. In an instant. Impact block.
With fauna like that, I'm impressed so many people from Thistleum made it through here alive.
Who's to say there weren't a whole lot more of them who didn't?
Well, at any rate, it should be a safer climb now that we've cleared the way a bit, right?
No. So long as people feel the need to face terrain this perilous, I'd say true safety's some way off.
You mean defeating Volron and putting an end to the crown contest, right? I guess that would be the best solution here, huh?
We've wasted enough time here already. Let's get going. Shionne needs us.
How are we still not there yet? It feels like we've been climbing this mountain forever.
It helps if you try not to look up or down. All you need is silent determination. Talking too much will only waste energy and burn you out.
I'm too tired to look up or down, even if I wanted to.
Take care you don't fall, at least. Unless you want to make a Zoogel's day, that is.
Zoogles? Why would they care if I fell or not?
How would you feel if a 3-course meal fell right out of the sky at your feet?
Zoogle chow.
Law? Best not to listen to him if you can help it. You'll only be encouraging him if you do.
Tell me that before I listen next time.
Still, Dahnan has a point. One wrong step and it's curtains.
Wouldn't it be great if we could all fly like Hootle? I bet even the refugees who didn't make it would have made it to Thistleland that way.
Until we magically sprout wings. Let's just watch where we're stepping instead, okay? Come on. Shionne's waiting for us.
Here goes! Eternal devastation! Crush! Eternal devastation! Eternal devastation!
Illuminate the dark!
Eternal devastation! Eternal devastation!
You'll soon see about that!
Double demon fang!
I'll tear you apart! Lightning orb!
Clean it, how?
Let me take the rest of it! Well, someone's feeling lively! In here!
I'm on it! Eternal devastation!
Eat this! I'll run you through! Watch this!
Eternal devastation!
Holy land!
How much longer will our healing arts last?
We're so high up.
Hey!
Are you insane? What the hell were you thinking?
I thought we were gonna die!
One simply needs to be bold and act with conviction in times such as these.
Did you know it was gonna be safe before you jumped? Because I sure didn't.
More or less. I figured there would likely be a basin here akin to most such waterfalls.
Don't just make people jump off cliffs on a hunch!
Are we ever gonna finish climbing this ladder?
We're climbing a considerable height. It's only natural that it will take some time.
That's not the problem here!
We are getting closer to the top, aren't we?
You've just got to keep your spirits up, Rinwell. Positive thinking is everything.
We finally reached the top.
My limbs feel like they're about to fall off.
Already? You kids need to train more.
It'll be a breeze. Get in, get out.
Come one, come all! Eternal devastation!
I'll face you. Armor won't. I'll finish you here and now. Eat this.
Eternal devastation!
These enemies aren't cool.
That frickin' does it.
Milky Quade's here!
Eat this. Negative gate. Being interrupted. My reach is even wider.
Time to let it rip! Renan slap!
And more than
I'll burn out! Eternal devastation! Eternal devastation!
Watch this.
Blow away! Eternal devastation!
Elusive deity. Fighting pile driver.
Eternal devastation!
Resonate with the earth. Stalagmite.
Eternal devastation! Great! No choice! Try harder!
Armor won't save you. Can you take it?
Eternal devastation!
This will come in handy. Hold on to your
Blow
heart.
away!
Here I come! I get you. That's my cue.
Shut him down! Blow away!
All back in your defense.
Glad you have your uses.
I'll show you how useful I can be.
Renan
Talon hurricane.
Will this stop?
Elusive deity. We are freaking invincible.
Alphen and the others truly are strong.
What about me?
Ouch! Can I get a little healing over here?
Alas, we appear to be out at present. That treasure. What a sweet-sounding ring it has.
You really think so? We did it. We've reached the top of the mountain.
About damn time. My knees are singing symphonies over here.
Look, there it is!
That's it. That's Pelegion, the seat of Volron's power.
So that's where Shionne's being held?
Most likely.
Most likely.
That is what I said, yes.
Pelegion's still our best lead. So that's where we go, right?
Any advice before we head in there?
No.
No?
In the ancient tongue, Ganeth Heros means Fortress of Naught, though I fail to see what insight that nugget of trivia holds.
I guess I just thought you might have something we could use.
Since Volron became Lord, the only thing this realm has been known for is its shroud of secrecy. It is Volron's stronghold. All else is incidental. Just keep in mind that you can't be too careful inside.
Speaking of which, just how are all of us planning to get inside, exactly?
It's not like there are any secret passages.
We've come this far. If there's no other way in, I guess we'll just have to use the front gate. Volron told us to come find him, which means he's expecting us. Let's do this the old-fashioned way.
I sure hope nothing bad's happened to Shionne.
Keep those thoughts to yourself, Rinwell. Everyone's anxious enough as it is.
Sorry. It's just... I can't seem to stop thinking about it. What do you think it is that Volron wanted with her anyway?
Going by what he said back on Almadria's ship, it would appear his primary target is Alphen. Though, it's likely he hasn't forgotten the blow he sustained at Shionne's hand either. That might even be what ignited his interest.
Yeah, did you see the way he reacted? It was like he was enjoying every moment. Even his pain at Shionne's thorns. Oh, that guy's just creepy.
Let's just hope he's keeping his perverted tendencies in check.
What? Law? Don't say things like that!
It's not like we weren't all thinking it.
That's still no reason to...
All right, you two. Now that's enough already. Alphen shouldn't have to grit his teeth while he listens to you.
Oh.
Sorry.
I swear I've seen...
Thanks for waiting. Eat as much as you like.
Kisara, let's talk for a bit.
Sorry for rambling on so much about my past earlier.
Don't sweat it. It was fun hearing you reminisce about the good old days.
Come on, you don't have to pretend with me. I know I can tend to go on sometimes, when it comes to my brother.
You said it, not me. Anyway, I don't think it's something for you to be embarrassed about.
Hey, Alphen. When you were a kid, was there ever a time when you had to bury someone younger than you?
Well, it's hard to say. I'm guessing that you have, though.
Yeah. During the previous crown contest, with the Lord before Dohalim. Life back then was truly hell. I think that's why I tried to ignore what Miguel was telling me for so long. Because I was afraid of going back to such a dark time, of losing hope. I wanted to believe in our paradise so much that I doubted the one person I should have trusted most. I don't blame blame Dohalim for that. I simply didn't want to face facts. And I ended up trying to project my ideals onto everyone else.
It's strange. Whenever you and Dohalim talk about Menancia, it's always like it's some big failure. We're talking about fixing 300 years worth of damage here. Isn't it a bit optimistic to think it was all going to be resolved after only 5?
You might be right. Maybe it was a mistake when Menancia... No. When I decided to stop seeing the darkness in our society. I have to admit the truth. To myself, first of all. I'll take watch tonight. It's okay. Before we go, do you guys have everything?
I don't want Shionne to get mad at us for dragging our feet.
Alphen?
She's the one that's kept us on track. Picked me up when I was down.
Sure.
I just thought she'd always be there. That's no ordinary enemy I see over there.
Oh man, I hope I live long enough to regret this.
Eternal devastation!
Lightning orb!
In a bind, still reflexes will not serve you well here.
Eternal devastation!
Everlasting
darkness!
Now!
Negative
Eternal
gate!
devastation!
Resonate with the earth!
Double demon fang!
Swallow dance!
Eternal devastation! Dragon!
Now you see what I can do!
Eternal devastation!
Cranky storm! More where that came from!
Eternal devastation!
Dragon
You picked the wrong fight!
Tempest!
Dragon
Eternal devastation!
Rotating
Eternal devastation!
Blow them away!
Easy peasy. Ha hoodle.
Eternal devastation!
Eternal devastation! Holy complete focus!
It's far enough! All back in there to defend! I shall ensure you
Glad you have
survive.
your uses.
I'm on Tempest!
I'll show you how useful I can be!
Blew away!
Tempest swirl!
We are freaking invincible!
Alphen and the others truly are strong.
What about me?
Lightning
Blew
orb!
away! It's on!
Illuminate the dark!
Blew
Come
away!
forth! Holy
I'll
glitter!
grind you
Holy
in the
lamp!
dust!
Ready? I'm ready! Eternal devastation! Crush!
It was nice.
Wow! Look what I just found.
Little help!
In a bind?
Glimmer dragon!
Dance in the wind!
Elusive deity!
Eternal devastation!
Nothing gets by
Now.
me!
Dragon! In an instant! Impact clock!
My exploits are bearing fruit.
Go no further!
Dragon shout! Double demon fang! You picked the wrong fight!
Raging storm! These ones can run rings around us!
I'll face
Hold on to your arms!
Elusive deity!
Here I come!
Eternal devastation!
Pile driver!
Eternal devastation!
Leave the ensnaring to me.
Yeah!
And bubbling to me!
Constantine!
Raining slap! Big slap! Double demon fang!
Everlasting
Air
darkness!
thrust!
Negative gate! Resonate with the earth!
Eternal devastation!
I'll be saving this one.
Eternal devastation! Crush! You're done! Fang blast!
I'm practically unstoppable.
No choice.
Resonate now or never.
Crush!
Still out!
Try harder! Eternal devastation! Crush!
Eat this!
If they rush you,
Stay
you gotta
close.
just recover,
I shall
okay?
provide assistance.
Crush!
Holy
In an instant! Impact Crush! We work well together.
Like a finely timed waltz.
Take that!
This one keeps charging us!
That's what my shield's for. Get behind me.
Got it! I'll leave it to you! Eternal devastation! Crush!
Lightning condemned!
I'm ready! Eternally! In an instant! Impact Crush! We're a pretty lethal combination, aren't we?
What can I say? I had a good partner.
An opponent like this should be easy.
Lightning condemned! Hurricane! Thunderblade! Illuminate the dark! Hold on to your art. Here I come!
Ready, slash! Crush! Its armor's too strong. Then I'll split it up! Be my guest.
Dance in the wind!
Begin!
Feel!
Demon Fang!
It's a hurricane! Now!
Wither! In an instant! Impact Crush!
A victory for the ages. Retreat if you know what's good for you.
Eternal devastation!
Shining supernova!
Eternal devastation!
Dance in the wind! You got company! Tucked away.
Ready, slash!
Hit! More with that
Ready,
activity! Hit!
Damn it! It's too fast!
Stand back. I'll
We're in
bring
the
it up.
home stretch, guys!
What you say?
Eyes on the prize!
That focus goes double for you, Law!
Me? How come I get singled out?
Crumble! Crush!
Win that
Eternal devastation!
Talon Hurricane!
I think I'm getting stronger.
You guys want to rest here?
We're almost there, guys. Don't let your guard down.
I'm excited just thinking about us barging through the...
Halt! Are you Alphen and his companions?
Why would you think that?
You are the only one scheduled to arrive, and there are no unscheduled arrivals in Ganath Harrow. So I'll ask again, are you Alphen and his companions?
We are.
Then pass. Lord Volron is expecting you at Castle Delpharis.
Well, suppose it's rather nice of them to roll out the red carpet for us.
we're supposed to meet him in there? What do we do now?
Let's see how things look around the city first. Then we'll make our way to the castle.
Not a slave in sight. Where is everyone? There aren't even any soldiers.
Something feels off. I don't like it.
Like the fact that the enemy could ambush us at any moment? Yeah, not crazy about that either.
No, not that. Something else.
That must be Volron's castle up ahead. I suppose we just walk right up to it then?
That's what the guard from before said. Now, if we only knew where they were keeping Shionne, we could try to...
That's it! That weird feeling. It's not just that the city is empty. It feels like no one lives here at all.
Now that you mention it, it does feel strangely... artificial. Think maybe it's a district just for the Renans alone?
With all this open space, seems unlikely.
Huh?
Hey! You guys! What's going on? What was that about? They were Dahnans, right?
That wasn't normal. Wait, you don't think it could have been the fruit of Helgen, do you?
No, they seem too docile. What about astral energy? Could you sense any coming from them?
No, and I'm pretty sure I could tell if it was. If not that, though, then what?
Speaking of which, it didn't look like there was anyone guarding them either.
They were headed for the castle. I have a bad feeling about those.
So, any ideas what the deal was with that boatload of weirdos?
Your guess is as good as mine. They looked like Dahnan slaves, but beyond that...
This city is grander and more beautiful than any other we've been to, yet...
I know what you mean. From the architecture right down to the people, something feels off somehow.
I've long maintained one can glean a lot about a ruler from their city. Considering how unsettling this place is, I'd say I wasn't far off the mark. Despite its surface layer of majesty, walking around inside, it feels more like a hollowed-out ruin.
I say we follow after that boat. If we're lucky, they might be in the mood to give us some answers.
Man, this place gives me the creeps.
Law, your legs are shaking.
What? Liar?
Just kidding.
You...
I've seen ghost towns that were more alive than this city. Where the hell did all the Dahnans and Renans go? Shionne. There's nobody here either. No Looks like the only building up ahead is the castle. That's...
No good. It's a dead end.
I don't relish our chances climbing. Or breaking through, for that matter.
And yet, this seems to be the only way inside. Take a look around. There must be a switch or something to...
What? What is it this time?
Look! Over there!
Alphen!
Astral energy? But then... that means...
Snap out of it! Can't you see what's happening? You're being deceived! Please stop! You'll die!
Damn it!
Bull Run is killing you! You need to run! Please, get off the boat!
What just happened?
We're being summoned.
Summoned? By that murdering monster?
It's all a demonstration designed to provoke. To prove to us, no, to Alphen, just what he's capable of.
Kidnapping Shionne. Killing all those people. If it's just me he's after, then why hurt them?
Why do all this just to get at me? You hear me, Volron? Answer me!
Alphen, this is not your fault. Don't give this to him.
I know. And I won't. My hands are stained with blood. But even so, if we're going to stop that bastard, then I need to keep going. Let's move.
Damn it.
How awful. All of those people in the boats. Do you think they had any idea what was going to happen to them?
They did a damn good job of concealing it if they did. You ask me, the only thing on their mind was following orders.
And I bet I can guess who from. Volron.
The only thing they knew was mindless oppression right to the very end. What kind of purpose is that? Living only to die at your master's whim?
Being a slave means having your whole life stolen from you. In the worst cases, quite literally. That bastard will get what's coming to him. I'll see to it he does.